Well, family, I'm going to take you on a quick walkabout. Just wanted to show you what my greens was looking like since we finally started getting a little rain. We got a good rain a couple of days in a row now. And we've been taking out the old okra stalks, getting ready to burn. Those would have burned them a lot sooner than what I planned to do. But it's been so dry, and when it's dry like that, you have to be careful. But some people said burn them, some people said don't burn them. But look, I burn mine, so it's whatever you want to do. It's your garden. Do what you got to do. And on the last drawing we had named that leaf, it was a kudzu vine leaf. And the reason that I did those two segments about name this leaf is to let everybody know that you got to do your research, because everybody can't grow the same thing. That was the only reason, that was the purpose of it, was to let you know that we all live in different zones. Some of us live in zones where we can grow the same thing, but majority of us are scattered out. So do your research and do your own thing. So the people that won in the name this leaf, the second episode, was my Alabama farm with Kathleen and Ange Butler on ShuggGlow. Those were the two winners. My Alabama Farm Life with Kathleen and Ange, ShuggGlow. But anyway, we will have another drawing starting Sunday, the 26th. That'll be Sunday coming, the 26th of November. So we will have a drawing up until the 15th of November, a Christmas giveaway. We will award 2 prizes each time we have a drawing. So there's no rules in this particular drawing. All you got to do, if you want to guess 1,000 times, then guess 1,000 times. If you want to guess 1,500 times, guess 1,500 times. And you can continue to win. There's no such thing as one person won this, so I can't guess next week. I can't guess the week after that. You can continue to guess as many times as you wish. But what I do want to say is do you. Enjoy yourself. Have a happy life. You know, you got to take care of yourself, but at the same time, enjoy the life that you got. The good Lord has blessed us to be here. A lot of us have gone on. So enjoy yourself. Do you. Be happy. And let me tell you, the Bammit love you. And there's just simply nothing you can do about it.